Bangalore Fort began in 1537 as a mud fort. The builder was Kempe Gowda I, a vassal of the Vijayanagar Empire, and the founder of Bangalore. Haider Ali, the ruler of the Kingdom of Mysore, in southern India, in 1761, replaced the mud fort with a stone fort. The army of the British East India Company, led by Lord Cornwallis, on the 21st of March 1791, captured the fort in the siege of Bangalore during the Third Mysore War. At the time the fort was a stronghold for Tipu Sultan. All that remains of the fort is the Delhi Gate, and remnants of two bastions. Today, the fort's Delhi Gate, on Krishnarajendra Road, and two bastions, are the primary remains of the fort. Inside the fort, there is temple dedicated to Lord Ganpati. After they captured the fort in 1791, the British started dismantling it, a process that continued till the 1930s. Ramparts and walls made way for roads, while arsenals, barracks, and the other old buildings quickly made way for colleges, schools, bus stands, and hospitals.